Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 17. Chapter number 3. Pair of linear equations in two variables. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from 3.5. Question number 4. Fifth. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and the breadth by 2 units, the area increases by 67 square units. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. Okay. Now try to understand solution. Let length of rectangle be L units and breadth of rectangle be B units, and therefore area of rectangle is equal to L into B, so is equal to LB square units. Okay. If length is increased by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units, then by given conditions L length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units, then by given condition L minus 5 into B plus 3 is equal to LB minus 9. Okay. Now and therefore simplify this. LB minus 5B plus 3L minus 15 is equal to LB minus 9, and therefore this LB and this LB get cancelled, so 3L minus 5B is equal to 6. Equation number 1. If length is increased by 3 units and breadth is increased by 2 units, then by given condition L plus 3 into B plus 2 is equal to LB plus 67, because area is what increased by 67, so area LB plus what 67, and therefore if you simplify this, LB plus 3B plus 2L plus 6 is equal to LB plus 67. Again LB get cancelled, and 2L plus 3B is equal to, this you transfer on this side, so 67 minus 6 is equal to 61. This is equation number 2. Now then observe equation number 1 and 2 and decide. Multiply equation number 1 by 3 and equation number 2 by 5. So 9L minus 15B is equal to 18. Equation number 3. 10L plus 15B is equal to 305. Equation number 4. Adding equation number 3 and 4. 9L minus 15B is equal to 18 plus 10L plus 15B is equal to 305. 15 minus 15B plus 15B get cancelled. 19L is equal to 323, and therefore L is equal to 323 divided by 19 is equal to 17. Substituting L is equal to 17 in equation number 2. 2 into 17 plus 3B is equal to 61, and therefore 34 plus 3b is equal to 61, and therefore 3b is equal to 27 and b is equal to 9, and hence length of rectangle is equal to 17 units and breadth of rectangle B is equal to 9 units. Okay. Now here I explain you some new topic, equation reducible to a pair of linear equation into variables. Now here try to understand. Consider equation 2 upon x plus 3 upon y is equal to 13. Now this equation you write in this way using law of what indices, 2x raised to minus 1 and 3x raised to minus 1, 3y raised to minus 1 is equal to 13. Now in this equation degree of variables, this is what variable x, this is variable y, and degree of this variable and degree of this variable is minus 1 minus 1, and hence this is not linear equation into variables. But we can reduce this equation to linear equation into variable by making some suitable substitution. Okay. Now then try to understand this situation. 2 upon x plus 3 upon y is equal to 13. If you substitute 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n, then this equation becomes 2m plus 3n is equal to 13, and here the degree of variables is 1. So degree of m is equal to 1 and degree of n is also equal to 1, and therefore this is a linear equation into variable. So in this way you reduce one given equation to linear equation by substituting suitable variables. Okay. Now then try to understand some example from exercise 3.6. Okay. Exercise 3.6. Question number 1. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2, and 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. So try to understand solution. Let 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n, and therefore now this equation becomes m upon 2 plus n upon 3 is equal to 2, and m upon 3 plus n upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. Now multiply this equation by 6 and this equation by 6 so that this denominator get cancels and you will have very simple equation. So if you multiply by 6 both the sides, so this equation is equal to 3m plus 2n is equal to 12. So this is equation number 1, and this equation becomes 2m plus 3n is equal to 13, equation number 2. Then observe your equations and decide whether subtract or add. Adding equation number 1 and 2, 3m plus 2n plus 2m plus 3n is equal to 5m plus 5n is equal to 25. Here you take 5 common. So m plus n is equal to 5. Or what, divided by 5 throughout. Similarly here, now these two equations you subtract. So 2m plus 3n is equal to 13 minus 3m plus 2n is equal to 12. If you subtract this, you will get minus m plus n is equal to 1. So this is your equation number 4. Adding equation number 3 and 4, m plus n minus 5 plus minus m plus n is equal to 1. M get cancelled. 2n is equal to 6 and therefore n is equal to 3. Substituting n is equal to 3 in equation number 3, m plus 3 is equal to 5 and therefore m is equal to 2. Then resubstituting for m and n, so m is equal to 1 upon x, 1 upon x is equal to 2 and therefore x is equal to 1 upon 2 and 1 upon y is equal to what, n, so 1 upon y is equal to 3 and therefore y is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.